Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to add and remove icons or apps from the toolbar. On macOS, Toolbar can have apps that range from useful to useless, and it's easy to end up with an eyesore up top. Let's take a look at how to add or remove apps here. Let's begin with rearranging. Pressing Command while dragging an icon will let you rearrange the toolbar. To remove, simply press Command and drag the icon out of the menu bar and onto the desktop. Adding back system icons is when it gets a bit tricky. You need to know what icon you need and go into System Preferences to add it back from its corresponding setting. For example, we will go to Sound and enable Show Sound to bring the sound icon back. Similar menu bar options relating to Siri, Energy Saver, Network, Keyboard, and other can be found in their respective preference panes. What else do you want to learn? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.